In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new YouTube channel under the same Google account. So first things first, log into your current YouTube channel with the Google account in which you want the new channel to be under as well. And once you've done that, you want to go to your channel profile image or account icon in the upper right-hand corner and just click on it and then go to settings. So if you don't know how to get to settings or it doesn't show up, just go to your YouTube Studio, and then under YouTube Studio in the lower left-hand corner, you'll see the settings icon. It's a gear icon. Click into it and it'll show you a few different things. Once you're here, you want to go to channel and then go to advanced settings. Once you're under advanced settings, you want to scroll down to where you see something that says manage YouTube account. Go into manage YouTube account. And then once you're under manage YouTube account under settings, you want to go right here under your YouTube channel where it says your channel and go to add or manage your channels. Click on that option there. You'll see a list of all of your owned or managed channels here, and then you'll see a button that says create a channel. Click on that button there. Next, you'll need to give the new YouTube channel a name and a handle. The name doesn't matter if it's been used, but the handle does. So you may have to add a couple of numbers or different characters here to make sure that your handle is available. You should see a green check mark when that is done. Then you want to select a picture to use for your profile picture. You can always do that later. And then you just click the blue button that says create channel. Now when you log into YouTube with that email address, you'll see a drop down like I have here where it shows me if I go to switch account, I can choose from a number of these accounts that are mine or I manage from the same email address. In the pinned comment down below, I'll put some frequently asked questions and some problems that you could run into. With that said, if this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.